We'll guide you through how to make Dropbox files available offline. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Dropbox website and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Files to access all your stored documents. To make a specific file available offline, find the file you want and right-click on it. In the context menu that appears, look for the option that says Make Available Offline and click on it. This will allow Dropbox to download the file to your device so you can access it without an internet connection. You may need to give Dropbox permission to store files offline if it prompts you. If you have a whole folder you want to access offline, you can do the same thing by right-clicking on the folder and selecting Make Available Offline. Keep in mind that downloading files for offline use will take up space on your device. It's a great idea to periodically review which files you need offline and which you can remove to free up space. Now, if you want to check which files are available offline, you can click on the Dropbox icon in your system tray or menu bar and then go to the Offline tab. This will show you a list of all the files and folders currently available for offline access. Managing your offline files is also important, so you can right-click any file in the offline list and choose Remove from Offline if you no longer need it. This will help keep your device from getting cluttered. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.